Richard brought water and a can of Mountain Dew today. Don't want to haul out in front of that. Started to shower. I didn't even know. Oh no. Way to trade vehicles. See a van. We can't drive you sounding like that in the brakes. Well, we probably could, but I don't want to.
No, we'll have to replace something different.
We have to go to Liverpool, Nova Scotia. That's where Richard's eye doctor is. It's like workman signs, but I don't see any work being done. One truck. They must be picking up the signs. No, they're going the wrong way. They must be putting them out. Be sanctuary here?
No, I'm ready to go way down there.
Oh. Ducking and geese season is on.
Yeah.
So yeah, I hope they don't have any accidents and shoot each other. There's a lot of them. One time I was going to Fall River by myself and I got this far. I think it was in 1977. No, I don't know what year car it was. Like LTD, Ford LTD. Anyway, I just filled the tank up with gas and I got this far. The gas tank fell right off, down on the ground. Yeah, that was scary. I was all by myself. Richard's drinking Mountain Dew. How was it? I used to like Mountain Dew.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, we don't have very more days with the pretty leaves. We were coming to County Line Corner. Is that what it's called? You forgot to cover your pop. I covered it before I smelled it though.
Now we're going into Queens County.
Queens County, Nova Scotia, where Liverpool is, where I was born. My mother was born there, she came from there. And that's where my mom and dad met. He was working, there was a Pepsi plant in there. The pop, Pepsi?
Yeah.
And my dad worked there. And I think that's how Mommy and Daddy met. Yeah. Yeah, it's not closed yet. That guy might get wet. Oh, it's 2. I ate my lunch a half hour early so I could lay down a half hour early. And I actually did fall asleep for a few minutes. Yeah, so I'm hungry already. It's 3:30. We're gonna stop so we can take this tire out of here because I smell rubber in here. Just gonna take it out and put it on the back where it's supposed to be. But we put it in here when we have wood on the back. See, hon, you could have waited until you had room to move. Work. Thanks, hon. Blueberry bushes. Look at them all. Well, I think they're blueberries. I don't know. Some of them are pretty tall. Maybe they're not. I'm so lucky.
Happy now?
I'm so lucky. Yeah, well, I hope that's what it was, and it takes care of the smell, because I'm getting really ill in the head. That big truck is. Oh, well, we're going this way? Oh yeah, I know where we're going. where we're going now. Old Port Mattoon Road.
Yep.
Lots of hardwoods in here. That's the fisheries place in there, I think. Department of Fisheries. Richard's not a fisher person anymore. We're happy about that. There we are. I was really excited when you called me up that day and told me you quit your job.
Yep.
My sister said, I never seen a woman happy when her husband said he quit his job before. So I got up and jumped up and started jumping up and dancing around in the kitchen. A little bit, I could jump around at that time. I could probably jump myself now. There's a school in there. Dr. John C. Wickwire. There's a big truck in there with a wooden box on it. You can take the whole side off.
I seen it.
Did you see it? That was cool.
Probably a bit heavy too.
Probably. It looked heavy. Yeah, it says 70 years ago I was born down here. 70? How did I get to be 70 this fast?
I don't know.
There's a little quick way convenience store. This building's been redone on the outside. That over there just looks like a big black wall. I don't know what it's called, some kind of a grange or something, lubricants. Piles of wood.
Yep.
Trees, different color. Little tour of Liverpool, Nova Scotia, Queens County. What do we got here now? Picking up the street.
We're not going that far anyway.
Detour. Oh, we're not going that far either. Anyway, this is the big, I think it's the United Church. And there's guys Frenchies down there, but we can't.
You can't go that way?
I don't know. No, it says no. It says no, how we're going to have to go across here.
Oh, it's the next one we'll go.
United Baptist Church, yeah. That's what we have in Sable River, where I was baptized. Well, I was actually baptized in the Sable River, July 7th, 1991. Okay, now we can go the other way. There's another burning bush over there. There's a big cemetery, Liverpool United Church. Oh, I think that's the library there. And there's another church on that side. Okay.
Just laughing.
Really? Laughing like that guy in the Trans Am that you was trying to pass when you had a Dodge Dart, or what kind of a Dodge was it? Oh, Dodge K-Car, Valiant, Dart. They were all the same, weren't they?
Yeah.
Pretty well.
Cheap.
Yeah. I never. Oh, look, there's still some of those blue flowers. I don't think I ever. There's the big Royal Bank. I don't think I ever had a. I had a Dodge Fury, Grand Fury. Those kind of cars,
Now,
big.
which way can we go? I'm going to go this way.
Yeah.
Where I'm going.
Yeah. Look, that dollar store's gone.
So it is.
There's the Scotia Bank, and we don't deal there anymore. And there's the big
Look there.
post office. Oh, oh, Halloween stuff. And the big green H there means hospital. Skeletons and ghosts and gravestones. Yeah, we know where we're going if we go this way. Here's the BMO, Bank of Montreal. That's our Sobeys credit card that we was getting extra air miles from, but we don't use air miles anymore, so.
Yep. Still use it.
Home hardware. There's the tourist bureau over there. They painted murals on the sides of the buildings. They look like they're fading out. They've been there quite a few years. Dang.
Man, that's country.
Yeah, I should have brought my earmuffs and walked on that walkway over there. Our insurance person is down there in that other building. There's the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. There's the bridge. I don't know what. Queens Bridge, I don't know. This here parking lot used to, when we had a storm surges, this used to flood in here. Yeah. Oh, that chippy truck is still there. Fresh cut fries, poutine, fish and chips. There's the Golden Pond Chinese restaurant, and here's the I Place, Liverpool I Place. And there's the sky up there. Looks like, oh look, there's still roses growing.
He said that trail hooked onto a truck and must move it all the time.
Maybe he takes it to different places, yeah. Probably to exhibitions, and well, they're all over with now, but what's going on here? Oh, yeah, you might as well go in early, and just in case. We got here 15 minutes early, better than 15 minutes late.
Yep, and we had a detour too.
Yeah, we had a detour. Wait until they see these glasses. Oh my heavens. They're supposed to be bendable in all directions, and
I got them bent in all shit.
he's got them bent in all directions. I don't know what you're going to get for frame, son, that you don't destroy. He's supposed to get his eyes done every year because he's only got one eye, but I don't think they did you last year. Did they?
Nope. So should I ask for ones that turn into sunglasses when you go outdoors?
Yeah, if you want to, because you should be wearing sunglasses. Or my eye doctor always says right off, do you wear sunglasses? I didn't always, but I do now. And she said, well, you should wear them. Well, I might go over there and walk along on that there sidewalk over there by the water then. Oh yeah, I better take my... I did go walking over there, and there was a lot of these burning bushes over there. They are just so vibrant and gorgeous. This was a bench that I took a picture of. There's another burning bush. They're everywhere. There's cannons. And it looked like a giant checkerboard. Another cannon. I don't know, that looks like something from a ship or something. Now this guy here, I never heard tell of him before, because I was never really into boxing or anything like that, but some people might be interested into it. Diesel truck. I just come across this from over there, and my phone restarted as soon as I got my feet over here. Or I don't know when it stopped. I can't believe it. Most of the video isn't even here until on my way back. But yeah, here's these here bushes. Itsy bitsy spider. Don't come on me. Okay, we're walking on the other side of the road to go back. And I forget what they're called. So I don't have to cross the road again. There's where I was over there. That was lovely. I hope everybody else likes it as much as I. Yeah. There's the Department of Community Services, Queens District Office. Yep. I needed community services help before a couple times in my lifetime. I'm not ashamed of it because everybody can fall on hard times. Yeah, especially if you got kids or you're sick. Yeah. The first time I had kids with me and the second time I was sick. Yeah. Nice wide sidewalks, lovely, just lovely. I wonder what's going to happen when those trees get too big for that hole. I don't know. Probably not in my lifetime, but somebody's. Somebody will have to fix it. More red berries, yellow leaves, crosswalk. They have lots of crosswalks. That's good. Now, oh, I'm on the wrong side of the road. I'm on the wrong side of the road, friends. I should have went across the crosswalk. Oh, all right. That car stopped for me, so I had to come across. Nice young man. Reminded me of my grandson, my oldest grandson. There was a tavern, a pub back there that I was going to show. Because we went in there one time, but they had all kinds of room deodorizers around. Yeah. So that left me out. Oh. Back where I started. Right back where I started. Can't afford to go in there. Cost you probably $40. But I don't eat that food anymore anyway. I don't know if they'd have anything for me or not. The last time I went in, when I had just vegetables and rice. Just steamed white rice. Here we are. Back at the truck. Oops. Trying to look at my watch. Can't do it without wiggling around. 4:32. 4:32. Huh. It was 5 after 4, was it? Okay, that was a nice different walk for us. Yeah, there's just too much exhaust around for me to do that. It's lovely for anybody else, though, that lives here and doesn't get bothered by it. Oh, my heavens. I was showing all my bling, and it was on pause. I got my blingy kitty here, and I have this purple kitty cat. I think my youngest daughter must have given it to me. And my purple ring, compliments of Richie. And my amethyst necklace, compliments of Sharon Simply Southern. Yeah, I could have worn my purple sunglasses today, but I have pink. Because I put on pink earrings, compliments of Michelle, the introvert. Hi, my little tater tot. One thing about going to a grocery store's deli is it's pretty well always cooked for you. The odd time Richard has to wait until they put fresh in, but it's not the same as waiting at a restaurant. Well, you're getting the service and stuff, but anyway, restaurants are way too expensive these days. But not just for me, in this area. I was surprised to see this here payphone. We are so lucky to have each other. Yes, we are. Thanks for watching, friends. See you in the next one, Lord willing. Hope you enjoyed, friends. See you in the next one, Lord willing.